this tutorial, you're going to need the Holiday Gift Tags SVG file and the Christmas Flower Poinsettia. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Printable Cuttable Creatables YouTube channel. My name is Kris and I'm part of the design team, and on today's tutorial I want to show you how I make these beautiful Christmas tags with files from Printable Cuttable Creatables. So come on, let's get going and we're gonna get designing here. So we're gonna go to upload, and here's the tags here. So I'm going to add that to Canvas. And these are the tags, and I'm going to make them bigger because I'm making big tags. And I'm going to block off some of the ones I'm not going to be using. So these are about the shapes that I am using. We'll go with these ones. Alright, so we're going to ungroup. And I'm going to change all their colors to black so that I could print them on the same paper. So I'm just changing the backgrounds to black because I'm making mine all the same. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a poinsettia into the canvas because I have a surprise for you. So I'm going to close off this one. This is the one that I want, and I block off the center because I put little rhinestones in the center, but we're going to adjust the size of this. Yeah, so I like it like that. Then I'm going to duplicate because I want a poinsettia on every single tag. Duplicate that here. There we go. Okay. Move that one up there so we could see. Next, we're going to add names. So we're going to go to text and we're going to add a name. Let's say it's for Dad. Okay. I'm going to go into the system fonts and I believe it's called Distant Stroke. Yeah, right here. This is the font that I like. And I'm going to offset it. But I'm going to offset it by 0.12 and I'm going to apply. Okay, I've applied. This Dad here, I'm going to make it a foil, and it's going to be a bold foil. And that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to offset one more time because I like the look of it. There you go. And so now it would look like this. Okay, so now we're going to send this to the Cricut machine, and then it's going to cut all the pieces we need, and then I'm going to show you the final product of what this is and how beautiful it is. Next, you're going to cut some string. You could have them as flat or three-dimensional. Now the surprise is you could hang this on the tree after they open their gift.